Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about vitamin C, and not any vitamin C. We're going to be going back into the ordinary because I've been trying this powder out, the 100% L-Ascorbic Acid Powder. I know I've been going into a lot of powders, but we definitely have to talk about this one. So before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let's get into it. Which I've been testing it out for quite a long time, actually. I don't remember when I started trying this out, but I've been going at it pretty much like a lot. Like, I know the thing is not full when you buy it, but yeah. I've been using it almost every morning, experimenting with the amount of product because, you know, you do have to scoop out your own amount to mix it with something else. So let's go into the information before we apply on the skin so you can understand how to use it as well. This little thingy right here is 20 grams of product, which is a lot, and it retails only for $5.80 Canadian, which is crazy inexpensive when you think about the amount of product that you have in there, but it is also a very powerful antioxidant that will target the signs of aging, and it will brighten up the skin as well. It says that it's for like normal skin types, so if you have oily or drier skin types, you really have to like be careful with the amount of product that you use. So you have to like test out a little bit on the sides to see if it irritates you or which amount is good for you as well. It says that it's for fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture. What I like about the Ordinary, especially this product, is it says that it's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and comes in a recyclable packaging, which is a plus when you're buying a product that is inexpensive and have all of these things at once. So a little disclaimer here, it is said that vitamin C or L-ascorbic acid or whatever the name is for vitamin C, you have to be careful with the other products that you're using it with. You cannot mix it with niacinamide or EUK 134. So it's really important to check the ingredients of your other products so you don't mix them because they're going to counteract with each other and they're going to cause irritation to your skin, which you really don't want that to happen. All right, so how to use it. Honestly, there's so many uses you can do it with. I would recommend something that is more water-based. It's going to really work well with it. You can put it with your serum or with your moisturizer and then mix it into your hands, and vice versa if you want. So I'm going to show you how I use it. I do mix it with a serum. So since my skin is more on the drier skin type, I do go with the hyaluronic acid plus B5 from the Ordinary. So I start with obviously the powder because I don't want everything to go everywhere. And the powder, after testing it out for a while, because if I put too much, it's going to really tangle, which can be normal because vitamin C tends to kind of like tingle a little bit on the skin. It's not a bad thing. If it burns, then it's a bad thing. So I go anywhere from a quarter of a little like scoop to a little bit lower than half, depending on the days. Like if I did some exfoliation the night before and my skin might be a little bit more irritated, then I'm gonna go with a quarter of a little cup. Or if I want a little bit more brightening effects on my skin, I'm gonna go with half a little thingy. I have it like this. I put it on my hand. You see it? Yes, I think so. Anyways, it's in there. I close it up, and then I take my hyaluronic acid serum. I open it up, and I feel every morning I'm like, ooh, doing something fancy, and it's like $10, you know? I do 1 and 2 drops. Only 2 drops, because if I do more than that, it's going to be too diluted, in my opinion, and it doesn't go very well on my skin. Like, mixing it together. And I apply it on my skin where I want to brighten, where I want the antioxidant to work. You know what's nice when I apply it with this serum in particular is that it gets absorbed so quickly into the skin. And I put like around a quarter of a scoop and I don't really feel anything. So I might want to put more next time. I like to put more, obviously. I like to make it work work. The thing that I noticed, if you put a little bit too much powder into your hand and mix it, then it's going to irritate, especially like in these areas around the nose. So you might want to be careful with these areas around your face. If I don't put enough on my skin, I feel like it doesn't do anything. So it's really experimental, of course. You have to really check the amount of product that you're putting on your hand, on your skin, with the amount of serum, because if you dilute it too much, then it doesn't work as great as you would want to, right? I honestly really like this vitamin C. I've seen a nice difference in my skin. Of course, it's like you have to use it every day, every morning, to see what it does to your skin. And I would recommend you not like starting one day and then continuing every day. You really have to build your tolerance up to vitamin C, because you might irritate your skin, especially if you have a drier skin type. So what I would do is I would do it once every 3 days, and then you would go to every 2 days the next week, and then you would like, you know, remove a day, and then like you continue all the way till you build your tolerance to every single day with a very small amount. And then some days you can add a little bit more to see what it does. You know, you really do some patch tests like on the side of your face, because if you do like a whole massive vitamin C thing on your face, it's gonna irritate, and you're gonna feel dry, you're gonna feel itchy, because one day I did put too much, and let me tell you, I felt it the other day. It says mix a small amount with other treatments in the palm of your hand and apply to your face in the AM or the PM. And I love applying it in the morning with some sunscreen, guys. Put your sunscreen, that's really, really important. With your sunscreens, because it's an antioxidant, and it's gonna work really well on your skin. Plus, it brightens up your skin for the whole entire day, so you're just gonna be loving it so much. And obviously, like, it's been brightening up my skin, you know, like, it's helping with the uneven tone, especially here. Like, I'm a little bit more orangey around the mouth, like, I don't know why. My acne hasn't been inflamed with this product, so it's really amazing, especially that I'm mixing it with other products, so I'm really moisturizing a lot. It's very much of a balance with all of the products that you're using and how you're using it as well, like in your routine. The only thing is, if you're not really experienced with skincare and like you're a little bit scared because you don't want to irritate your skin, I wouldn't go with a powder personally, because you don't know the exact amount you're putting in your skin. With the little scoop, like you might put a little few drops if you want, and then a lot of serum, and then it would be great to just like add it a little touch to your skincare routine. But if you're like scared of using a powder, I would go with another serum that The Ordinary has with a lot of L-Ascorbic acid in it. It's just, I love the powder so much. It's just, it's gonna last me way longer than any serum that I have in my collection. I'm gonna have to rebuy a lot of the hyaluronic acid. I just bought it and I'm a third done already, so. But I honestly really, really like this powder. I've seen a difference in my skin. It's hard because I've been trying other products. Like this one has been trying it for a while, right? And I've been trying other products out. You probably saw it already. The other product that I reviewed this week, a cleanser. It's a powder as well. Like, I just love powder so much. It's just amazing, okay? Guys, powders. And yeah, but I really like this powder. It's so easy, versatile. It doesn't like... It's just amazing. So anyways, I really recommend this one if you want to be a little bit more like kind of chemistry class in your morning routine, with some sunscreen on top of it for sure. But yeah, so tell me down below if you tried The Ordinary and which are your favorite products of The Ordinary. I would love to know. Make sure to put a big thumbs up on the video as well, and to comment down below anything you want again. And subscribe to my channel for 5 videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys!